shattering dreams with a country twang, building the future strong as the chain.